This is their Islamic website. Have 8 dictionaries. This is Shakir website. This is, if you go to the top, you will see Dictionary Shakir. This is Dictionary Shakir. This is Dictionary Shakir. This is...
Please read correctly. It is not Dictionary Shakir, but Dictionary Sakr, or in Arabic, Sakhr. Look. Can you read here? I told you that you're a binary person. You cannot even read correctly. But you got upset with me when I said that. You got upset with me when I said that. Dictionary Sakhr or Sakr was written in both Latin and Arabic letters.
So the word Wahaba, as you see in front of yourself, in your screen, it's mean giving. So simply, it is a time, an offer for a man to have sex with that woman. She is giving her body. So how the word Wahaba or Wahabat became she wanna marry?
I agree with you. The word Wahaba does not mean to marry. It means to give, you're right. I feel that you're very happy now. You can't wait to spread what I just said all around the world. But hold on, not yet. Would you please, Sir Christian Donkey, read the next words? Do you remember that verse that you talked about in your previous video, the one that you have lied about, and you said that it talks about some women who came to offer themselves to the Prophet to have sex with them? In the Quran, verse 33, chapter 33, verse 50. Let's have a look at it. Chapter 33, verse 50. Let's read it. 1 second, where is the verse? Here. Any believing woman who came and any believing woman who dedicates her soul to the Prophet, if the Prophet wishes to wed her, marriage. But you're a big pig, you know, a big fat pig. So the woman truly gave herself to the Prophet, but for marriage. Now you might tell me that's not true. In the Arabic text doesn't say so. It does. Here it is. إن وهبت نفسها للنبي إن أراد النبي أن يستنكحها, which means to wed her. Let's go to the dictionary that you love so much, Sahur dictionary. يستنكحها, the verb nakaha. Here it is, the verb nakaha. Get married to, take as a spouse, become husband and wife, take as a spouse. So how is it when somebody discloses your lies? What a big nasty pig you are.
Continue. But is the end of the Prophet of Islam.
Not true, this is another lie. Khawla isn't the aunt of the Prophet of Islam. The answer is very simple. In Islam we don't believe that the passage that says that Khawla was the aunt, we don't believe that this passage is authentic. But beware here, I am not saying...
Listen carefully. So he don't believe this passage is authentic, which means it says there clearly that she is his aunt. But he don't believe it's authentic. So it was authentic in a second that the word marriage, in the same page where it says she is his aunt, it's not authentic. In the same book, in the same proofs, in the same website, in the same translation. So it is authentic when he want, it's not authentic when he want.
He's saying it is in the same book, in the same page, in the same book, and I accept it when I want, when it talks about marriage, and I reject it when I want, when it talks about the aunt. But is it really like that? That's amazing. I must first of all admit that you really are impressive in making tricks, but it doesn't work with Allah. First, it is not in the same page, it is not even in the same book. Liar.